Hello everyone, welcome to the CodeSpace YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can integrate React with Django. It will be an interesting thing for us because React is an JavaScript framework and Django is in Python framework, and we know that JavaScript and Python are the most valuable skills for today's world. So without wasting any time, let's jump for a small intro. Open two CMDs here on the desktop. So in the first CMD I will create my Django project. So I'll type Django admin start project, and project name will be, I will give the name as ReDjango. Okay, ReDjango. Okay, so I'll give the name as ReDjango. Okay, so our Django project is created. Now in the second CMD I will create the React app. So the pre-requirement of the this video is you just need to create React app from the official documentation of React, or you can download from anywhere. Okay, so after installing create React app, you just need to type create React app, and our React app name will be, I'll give the name as React app. Okay, so after this React app will be created on the desktop, so it will take some time. So finally our React app is created. So let me minimize this window. So here you can see that React Django is our Django project and React app is our React project. So I will just drag this React app into the React Django. Okay, I'll just drag, you just need to drag this React app into Django, and after this completion, so now our React app is in our Django project. So let me open that folder. So I need to go and desktop, and here is our Django. So select this folder. So you can see that here is our React app and Django. So in our CMD here I will go in that React app. So I'll just, so I need to type ReDjango, and React app. Now here I will type npm start. Okay, so our React app server will start, and similarly I will go into here in my Django project. Okay, so I just need to type cd ReDjango. Okay, ReDjango. Okay, so I am in my ReDjango folder, and here I need to type python manage.py run servers. Python manage.py run. Now we have started our both the servers. So here is our React server. I have started it with an npm build, and here is our Django server. So we have started it with the python manage.py run server. Okay, so now we have to define some settings in settings.py, so Django can detect where is the static files and where is the template. So what I will do is I will add some configuration in template. So in build there is our main index.html file, you can see that. So here I will type os.path. I will just copy this from here, os.path. Okay, so there is no, so I'll type Okay, I will copy this. Okay, os.path.join. I'll copy this and paste it. So I'll copy this here, and here I will give the, so it is our root directory. So then we have to go in a React app. So I will type React app slash directly index.html slash build slash index.html. so it is our path. Okay, so we will add index.html in our main view. Okay, so here you have to do this, and you have to also give the static path. So here you have to give the static file path. So static files path. Okay, static files path. And here I will copy this again, and here I have to give that static directory path. So I will do React app here we have to provide we have to type build, so it will be the right path, and we have to write this. Okay, and now I will go in my urls.py, and here I will define the generic view, so we can access the template with its name. Okay, so here I will type from django.views.generic import template view. Okay, and here I will give the path. So path will be, it will be the blank, and template view dot as view, and here we will provide the template. So here I will write template name will be index.html, because we have provided the template path, so we just need to provide the file name here. Okay, and it's fine. Let's check the index.html is correct or not. So I think it should be fine. Yes, let's run our server. Let's run our server. So I will open my terminal, and I will run the server. So where is our server? I just need to write python manage.py run server. And if you are getting some errors in your integration, or you are not getting this, so you can go in this article which I have written in medium.com. I will give the link in my description, so you can go there and check it out. Okay, now I will run my server. It should be run. Okay, so our server is running fine. Let's jump, and you can see that we have integrated our React app with our Django framework. Okay, now we will do some configuration in our main index.html file. So here in our React app we will do some configuration. So I'll go in source and app.js. I will remove this logo. Okay, and yes, I will also remove this header. Okay, here I will write something. So here I will write you are done with the integration, and in app.css I will remove all of this. So npm run script build. Okay, now it is working correctly. So let's refresh our React. Whoa, we are done with our integration. So if you like this video, then please make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you are getting any error, then I will give this link in my description, so please go there and check it out. Okay, and stay tuned with you guys.